Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix VC runtime 140 underscore 1.dll not found error. Consider reinstalling the application can fix the error. Suggest let's fix it guys. The issue, you just need to open up any browser you are using it. I'm gonna open up Google Chrome. Search for Microsoft Visual MICROSOFT Visual C++. Press enter. Click the microsoftofficial.com website. Click on the latest updated version of Visual C++. Scroll down guys. In here, if you are using 32-bit, you just want to download this link using this. If you are using 64-bit, you just download this link. I'm using 64-bit guys, that's why I'm gonna download this link. Click on it and download it, and after getting download done, click on show in folder and open up in the folder. You just want to double click on it and you just want to install it guys. Select agree and you just want to click on install. Select as. After getting installed setup successfully, close out of here, close out of everything and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you should good to go guys. Your problem will be resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.